Hello everyone! Today I will teach you how to use Linguee. Linguee is a multilingual dictionary that you can use it on internet using this website, or you can use it on Apple Store or on Google Play. First, you have to choose the language you want to translate. If you know a word in French and you want to know it in English, then you have to click on Français to Anglais. However, you can also try Plus de langue, which will give you a lot more languages that you can translate in another language. For my example, I want to use Français to Anglais. The word I'll be looking up is aimer. Linguee gives me some examples on how to use aimer in a different context. Here we have aimer les sucreries. Aimer will not be used the same as to love someone. Okay? So I want to know aimer. Here we can see that aimer is a verb. We can also know the pronunciation of this word.
To love. To love.
You can also see, hear the British accent.
To love.
As you can see, there are a lot of words that can express aimer. These are all synonyms that you can use. There's love, like, care for, enjoy, adore. And there's also plus rare words that you can use, which are wish, appreciate, cherish, be keen on. There are also examples in context. Ne pas aimer quelqu'un. How can you say that? Well, you can say I dislike someone. When you love someone more than another person, well, you can say I prefer someone to somebody else. There are also expressions with the verb aimer. For example, aimer les friandises. You can also say in English, I have a sweet tooth. Here are a lot of examples of the verb aimer in different contexts. For example, when you want to say une façon d'aimer, you can say it is a way of loving. Tous responsables de l'aimer. Nous sommes tous responsables de l'aimer. It is our duty to love it. As you can see, there are a lot of examples in a lot of different contexts because a word can be used in many different ways, and a word in a certain context may not mean the same thing in a different context. That is why you have a lot of synonyms. This is a very useful website for you guys when you want to write text, because sometimes the translation of a word in French may not be the exact same word in English. Okay? Because a word in a different context doesn't mean the same thing. That is why you really want to know which word you want to use in your text. You want to know if it is the right word and if you can use it on this particular context. So thank you everyone, and I hope you enjoy this small activity on internet to learn how to use Linguee. If you have any question, don't hesitate. I'll be there